Markets are in turmoil, tariffs are skyrocketing, tech stocks are plummeting, and uncertainty grips the global economy. But what if I told you this chaos hides golden opportunities? Today, we'll uncover the stocks poised to dominate the future, and how you can turn this volatility into massive gains. Welcome to the ultimate guide for navigating market chaos. From AI-driven tech giants to semiconductor leaders, we'll explore the companies that could redefine industries and your portfolio. History tells us that the biggest gains often follow the darkest market days. In 2025, we're seeing a similar pattern unfold. Tariffs on Chinese goods have surged to 145%, with China retaliating at 125%. Companies like Apple and Tesla are feeling the heat, but amidst this tension lies opportunity. The fear and greed index is flashing extreme fear, and volatility is through the roof. But savvy investors know this is when fortunes are made. Amazon. Amazon isn't just an online retailer, it's a tech powerhouse. Despite a 13% decline year-to-date, Amazon remains up 145% over 2 years. Why? 3 words: AWS, advertising, and AI. AWS dominance. Amazon Web Services continues to lead cloud computing with $25 billion in quarterly revenue. Although growth has slowed to 13%, investments in AI-driven cloud solutions are expected to reignite momentum. Amazon's ad business grew 19% last year, now contributing $47 billion annually. With margins potentially exceeding 50%, this segment is a profit machine. Analysts project Amazon's stock could reach $264 by year-end, a 54% upside from current levels. Google. Alphabet is reshaping the future with its Gemini AI platform and aggressive cloud expansion. Despite a tough start to 2025 with a 17% drop year-to-date, Google Cloud's 30% growth signals resilience. AI leadership, investments in generative AI and proprietary tensor processing units, or TPUs, position Alphabet as a leader in this space. Cloud growth. Google Cloud revenue surged to $12 billion last quarter, outpacing competitors like Microsoft Azure in certain segments. Analysts predict Alphabet stock could climb to $215 to $250 by December, a potential upside of nearly 37% from current levels. Meta. Meta is betting big on AI and sustainability. With record free cash flow of $52 billion in 2024, Meta is reinvesting heavily into cutting-edge technologies. AI investments. Meta plans to spend $65 billion on AI initiatives this year, including advanced data centers and open-source models. Renewable energy. Operating entirely on renewable energy. Since 2020, Meta's commitment to sustainability enhances its bottom line while reducing costs. Future projections. Analysts forecast Meta's stock could hit $753 by year-end, a nearly 49% upside, with long-term targets approaching $995 by 2030. NVDA. NVIDIA owns the AI accelerator market with an 80% share, a dominance that's driving exponential growth. Data center. Revenue. NVIDIA's data center segment surged from $4 billion in the first quarter of 2023 to over $35 billion by the fourth quarter of 2024. Its new Blackwell architecture promises even greater efficiency. AI expansion. From autonomous vehicles to edge computing, NVIDIA is at the forefront of innovation across multiple industries. Stock forecast. Analysts project NVIDIA's stock could range from $382 to $521 by year-end, depending on market conditions. TSMC. TSMC is the backbone of the tech industry, producing chips for giants like Apple and NVIDIA. With revenue up 42% year-over-year in the first quarter of 2025, TSMC is thriving despite global uncertainty. AI chip demand. TSMC's revenue from AI-related products tripled last year and is expected to double again in 2025. Market leadership. Holding a projected 66% share of the global foundry market by year-end, TSMC remains unmatched in advanced chip manufacturing. Growth potential. Analysts forecast TSMC's stock could climb to $287 by mid-year, a significant upside given its current valuation. So how can you capitalize on these opportunities? Follow these steps. Build cash reserves now. Be ready when markets stabilize. Focus on companies with strong free cash flow and diversified revenue streams as mentioned above. The world of investing isn't just about numbers. It's about stories of resilience and transformation. Today, we've uncovered how companies like Amazon, Google, Meta, NVIDIA, and TSMC are shaping our future, and how you can be part of it. The choice is yours. Will you let fear hold you back or seize your moment? Subscribe now for more insights that will empower you to conquer the market.